everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine if this is your first time watching, and today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine for this week. And yes, it changes weekly, daily. I never really do the same thing every single day. Every single week I have a lot of products that I love to use, so I try to incorporate that. I love to kind of keep my skin guessing, and it's been working for me so far. So I'm gonna be shooting out, I'm gonna try to do a video on my updated skincare routine. If not every week, maybe every other week. That way you can see what products I'm incorporating into my routine, how I'm switching everything out. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do today is I'm going to use the Sephora collection. I don't know if y'all can see those. Sephora collection cleansing wipes. These are my favorite wipes to use. I use Neutrogena. I've used, well, that's the only one I can remember, but I really love these, and I'm just trying to go in and get all of the makeup that I didn't get off last night. But you know, sometimes just taking your makeup off at night isn't enough. I still have, like, I have glitter from last night when I got off work. So I just want to get all of that off, which there wasn't that much on there. My wipe is still pretty clean. I didn't really wear too much foundation. Yesterday, I never really wear too much foundation anyway, but yeah, so I'm just gonna try to get as much off as I can. Oh, that dang glitter just won't come off. Okay, so now that most of that glitter is off, I'm gonna go right into my cleanser, which today I'm going to be using the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Cloud Cream Cleanser. It's gonna be my first time using this one. It says gently removes makeup. What I need, clearly, and impurities. It has hyaluronic acid in it, which hyaluronic acid usually brings the moisture into your face. It's very hydrating. And then it says that afterwards it draws water vapor from the clouds to help lock in moisture, all that good stuff, fragrance free. So let's just see what this is talking about. All right, so I threw some warm water on my face, just because your face needs to be damp before you use this product. So I'm just going to squeeze a small amount into my hands, like so. Just get this all over my face. Oh, what about my nose? So I definitely think I grabbed too much product, but that's okay. And it does say you can use this cleanser twice a day. Yeah, way too much product, but you know, we're here, so we're gonna keep on moving. So I typically, like, once I put my cleanser on, I'll let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes depending on what I'm doing. Sometimes I'll put it on and I'll run to the kitchen, or I'll get started prepping for like shower. So I'm just gonna let this sit for a second, and then I'm going to rinse off. So next I'm gonna use my CAUDALIE Beauty Elixir, which I love this stuff. It's an essence spray. It has peppermint and it smells so good. It's like my favorite product ever. Like, if I could take one product with me, like, everywhere I went, like on all my trips, that is like the one product that I would take everywhere with me. All right, so after the essence spray, I'm going to use the product Jet Lag, which this is my first time using this product. I really want to see how it works, how my skin reacts to it. And it's just a very hydrating mask, and it says on cleanse dry skin, apply a thin layer with fingertips, which my skin's not dry, which, you know, I break rules, so we're just gonna go ahead and put it on anyway. So I recently tried the R&R mask by Summer Fridays, and when I say I absolutely loved that product, I love that product. So when I got this in gratis, the Jet Lag, I was super excited. I was like, ooh, I've never tried that. If it's anything like its sister product, let me see. So here we are. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this mask on. It says to leave it on for 20 minutes. and then pat dry in. Like, it's not a product that you're gonna have to rinse off or anything. So I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes and then I'll be back. All right, so I am back. It has been 20 minutes since I put the Summer Fridays jet lag mask on, and I just kind of patted all of the excess in. I can tell already, like, my face feels so soft and so supple. All right, so the next product that I'm gonna use is the MURAD Revitalixir serum, and I already put one pump in my hand. I'm just gonna do one more pump. I'm just gonna get this all over the skin, and I'm gonna start in the inside and then kind of like push out, and I'm just gonna try to pat everything in. I really love this serum. It's kind of like an all-in-one anti-aging, helps with fine lines and wrinkles, lifting dark spots. I love it. All right, and to finish off my skincare, I'm going to use one of my favorite moisturizers, the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration moisturizer, and that's all I'm going to use for my whole face. I feel like people use too many products, or I feel like people use too much product, and sometimes I would like to blame that on beauty bloggers, but can't talk about them anymore because, you know, here I am. So but anyway, I'll just that little bit that I had on my finger, I'm just pressing it into the skin, and my skin feels so soft. Ooh, yes, I just love clean, nice skin. I'm trying to get my skin together. I still have like some marks here, which I think those are like deep-rooted dark spots, because I feel like I've had them forever, and it seems like no matter what I do, like, they'll lighten sometimes, but I feel like if I go a while without doing a good skincare, like, they get darker, but whatever. Anyway, so that is the finished routine. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below if you want to keep seeing more videos like this, and if you haven't already, subscribe, please. I would love that, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I post my videos. All right, so the next video that will be coming up will be part 2 of this video, which will be a 5-minute makeup routine. I planned a whole other video, but I let time get away from me today, so I'll see you in my next video.